Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T, and my name is Tonya Okoli. Today I'm going to be unboxing a backdrop stand I got from Amazon. I got this backdrop stand from a company called SH of Amazon. The backdrop stand is very affordable. It cost like $31. I'll leave the price down in the description box. I've always wanted a backdrop stand for a while now, and I finally got it. So my videos are going to be like So please, if you really want to see how I install this drop stand, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video if you haven't, and let's just get right into it. What's up guys? So I'm going to be unboxing and installing the background stand and the backdrop. So this video is very explanatory. Just keep on watching and make sure you learn a few things or more, and I'll see you at the end of this video. Bye. Hey guys, so this stuff is really high, so I have to bring my camera in close to show you guys. So that's it, you guys. I've fixed up my backdrop stand. I hope you could see me fixing it like well, because this thing is really tall. It's really tall, and I'm sure you'd have seen it in the video I'm going to post before this. Like, I'm even sweating. It wasn't that hard to fix up. It was okay. This backdrop stand came with an installation guide, which was easy to understand and easy to comprehend. Like I said, I got the backdrop stand from Amazon. For my people back in Nigeria, yes, you can order from Amazon. It's just that you pay a little bit more for shipping, but yes, you can actually order from Amazon. Some things, yes, you can get to Nigeria, and some things you can't get. They can't ship to Nigeria, which they will say in the which will be on their site if they can ship the item to Nigeria or if they can't. But that is it for me. I hope you learned a few things. Guys, I'm still getting used to using this camera, so at times you catch me looking up. I'm looking at the monitor instead of looking into the camera, but your girl is new at it. I'm going to learn how to use this way better. So now, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, please like this video, and that is it for me today. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.